Hey, good morning. Casey with Mid-Kansas Marine. We're here today on the water in a brand new Caymas DV19 2024 model. So this boat is already fully rigged up. Electronics, trolling motor, everything set up, ready to go for the customer. We are going to just do an overview walkthrough, kind of show you the layout of this boat and how we have it rigged up, kind of go over some of the features. So first thing, this boat, the DV19 is rated for a 225 horse. This has a Mercury Pro XS 200, Bob's jack plate on the back. Starting off right here, a 50-gallon live well. It has bubblers, aerators port and starboard, out port and starboard to empty port and starboard, a little compartment here for crawlers, leeches, things like that. And this side we have storage compartments. The DV19, well, any of the multi-species boats, you can get either jump seats or storage compartments, or a combination of both. On this one we have storage compartments that have removable tubs. Same thing, gets down into your access to your live well pumps and whatnot. Both sides, port and starboard storage compartments like this. This also has these removable wing pods, port and starboard, and these are attached with just 2 threaded bolts into the gunnels and then into the back of the transom of the boat. Pull those out, pods come out, so you have much more access, like if you're fun boat and pleasure boat and things like that. Opening these up, these are pretty big. I don't remember how many gallons, but I would say, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 Plano boxes in there now, room for plenty more. On this side, on top of the wing pods, it has a retractable rod buckle and spots for 8 rods that go into the side of the gunnel here, lay across the deck. Also has a feature, if you remove this wing pod, it has a bracket that mounts to the gunnel that you can still utilize the side rod storage right there. This side, same thing, jump seat option or storage. Went with storage on this one. Same thing on the wing pod on this side. We went with the Burt's track rail system, brand new Scotty rod holders. As you can see on the deck, 2024 models come standard from the factory with aqua traction flooring. So pretty neat job how they did that with the design and Caymas logo on here, on the gunnels and on the deck of the boat. Okay, back here in the back we have this storage compartment is where your house battery is. The cranky battery is right here. Big compartment, you can put up more Plano boxes down here if you choose. And we also have the ruler, nice feature, comes in and out. I even think this is like a 31-inch ruler, right? And a washdown system. Okay, moving to the cockpit area, let's talk about the seats. Both of these seats are equipped with the Wave Pro suspension seats. A great feature to have in a multi-species boat like this. Over to the cockpit, we have tilt steering wheel, the Caymas multi-gauge, the radio, and over here is the master control panel. It has all the switches, push button switches for all the controls in the boat. Have HDS 12 Pro mounted on the gimbal bracket off to the side here, which is a great feature that Caymas is doing. Plenty of room for a 12-inch console mounted off to the side, and then a 12-inch Lowrance HDS Live flush mounted in the console. On the passenger side compartment, plenty of foot room down below, and then a dry box, glove box feature up on top, a couple cup holders. Something really good about Caymas, a feature that I really like, are these billet aluminum grab handles. Everybody's always using these as basically a ladder step coming down off the front deck, and these are bolted through into the console, so extremely sturdy on the inside and outboard sides of both passenger and driver seats. Okay, moving up to the rod locker. This is the 15 rod storage locker. You have access to your trolling motor switch, room for 15, stackable. Also has the access to the battery compartment right down there. Quick stainless steel latch, nice feature, easily accessible. All right, well, up here on the front deck, The deck of the Caymas at its widest point right here in front of the consoles is 6 foot 6 inches. Coming this way from the consoles to the front of the flush mount area, cup holder area, is 5 foot 6 inches. We're going to look at the port side storage locker. This is a rod storage locker that has room for 15 rods. Has the rack in the back and all the way up front. You can put 8 foot rods in this storage compartment, 15 of them. On top here we have the rod storage on the deck, cut out in the console for the rod tips to go in, another rod buckle strap on the front here. Also need to make note that the Caymas comes with an option of adding padding to the carpet on this deck, which this boat does have. Extremely comfortable. It's a great feature, I believe. Up here we have an insulated 68-gallon cooler. Great feature. We actually use it and it does hold ice. Look at this compartment here. We have storage. This is where you could put your throwables, rain gear, things like that. We have mounted the active target box on the inboard side of this box in this setup here. Moving up to the deck, another rod buckle. In this layout we have the birch track rails on both port and starboard gunnels. On this side we're using a fishing specialties mount. Pretty easy to use. We sell quite a few of them. Can just stow just like this. That's how we have it set up on this system here. Up front we have a stowaway foldable mount. Show you guys how this works here. Come down. That position can also go all the way down to the down position. Here we have it set up with the active target, 2D sonar, and all these graphs are networked together so everything communicates, shares waypoints and whatnot. Up front we have a Minn Kota Tarova 72-inch shaft, 24-volt system on this boat. Features for the boat would be your trim, live well, port fill, recert, and then your nav lights. Okay guys, we're going to wrap it up. Do us a favor, give us a follow on all of our social media. Help us grow that side of our business. You can find us on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram and TikTok at Mid-Kansas Marine. If you want to check out our inventory, please go to midkansasmarine.com or give us a call at our Andover or Hutchinson location. Thank you.